Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to tag someone on Facebook. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So you have to just go to your Facebook mobile application here. So this is my Facebook right now, and if I want to tag someone, for example right now if I just posting a photo, right, I will show you while typing it too. So here you have to just allow the access, so just tap on it, allow, right, and this is one of the image which I want to do it, right. So let me show you. So this is one of the image and I want to tag someone. So here you can see there's some of the option. This is off, right? So here you can see if you want to tag, you can also do it by just go to here, type section, tap add, and once you tap add, just write the first letter of whom you want to tag. For example, I will just type here only A and I want to tag only this person, right? Same way you have to just you have to start with add, and then you have to tap one of your, for example let's take your followers, right, your, if you want to tag someone very specific person, right, for example I want to tag Cristiano, right. So as you can see here, I can tag anybody. Same way if I want to just put a photo or just I'm just typing it out, right, and in here I can just click on the post and it's done, right. Here it will just take a few seconds to upload and then you will able to see. Same way if you're just typing it out, I can just write here hello and I will add, for example let's say Messi, right, and once I tap here I can just tag that person and click on post. So this is a very easy thing to tag someone on Facebook. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.